Welcome back to the OFA Copy and Design School. This is Dan Havey with CF Ninja Hacks. And what we're going to look at in this video is probably the last step that you're really going to take in putting together and building out your entire funnel, and that is the redesign process. See, the problem is you spent the last couple of days, maybe the last couple of weeks, staring at your funnel and thinking it was the greatest thing ever. And you may or may not be right. It may or may not be good. So what I did is when I got done with my funnel, I reached out to my friend Erin, and you're going to see this video right down here. What Erin does is she comes in and she completely rips my funnel apart and rebuilds a whole bunch of it for me, gave me a whole bunch of ideas. Really, in the case of what you're actually seeing on the screen down here, I'll show you more in a minute, she really came up with the look I was going for, but didn't go like the one extra little step, one extra little measure I had to go in order to get there. And that's the thing is, when you're done, you want to be able to put this in front of a couple of friends, a couple of people who know something about design, a couple of people who know something about funnels. Have them look at it and just have them tear it apart. Have them tear apart your copy, have them tear apart your colors, the way it looks, everything, because it really kind of knocks you back into reality and lets you go, okay, it is time to step back. It is time to look at this a little bit differently and then go ahead and rebuild it once again. And that's exactly what we did here. So let me just go through what we have. So here is the original opt-in page where somebody's going to get their free cheesy garlic bread. And then Erin came in and she redid the page. Obviously, big red banner at the top up here, which basically she took what I had and just put a red background on it and gave it a little bit more room on the top and the bottom. She came in with green text in here, which I'm still kind of a little iffy on. When you see my final redo, you're going to see I left the green text, but like I said, I'm still a little iffy, but I'm not sure what to do about that. And then she put in the footer like this, and there was this disclaimer that was over here. She put it up there, and again, I think this looks much nicer than what I had on the page. And she also put on this image in the background, which I really didn't like that image at all. So I took her redesign and I redesigned it once again, found a better image. And again, this image still in the background here is not anything I own the rights to. In fact, you can see it says Creative Market on it. Same thing with Erin's image, so don't use them in your own stuff because we don't own the rights to them. Which brings me to the point, which is, and I forgot to say this, is you will get a copy right down here of the complete redesign, both my version and Erin's version of the redesign. We have a share funnel for it right there. So let me go back here. So now with mine, I put in this image in the background, gave it a little bit of a dark overlay, and left her bottom the way it was, the footer like this, because I really liked that. So now let's go back to my original page where this is Join Mama's Family. Erin just did 2 pages. I'll show you where I fixed up the rest of them. And so here mostly, here's the original. Let's go to Erin's now. And here again, red at the top, changed the colors of some of the fonts, moved things around a little bit, kind of worked on the spacing a little, put this white line across here. But here was the big thing that she did. And I mean, all she did basically, well, I actually was the one to put in the white background, but she just changed up the colors, changed up the spacing a little bit, and really gave me what I was looking for. Was I kind of wanted something that was going to look like a menu, and that's what this ended up looking like in the end, was a menu, so I was very happy about that. And then I came in, and let's see, it's this one here. I came back in, changed out the background. Let me see here. Did she have that red? She went for green here at the top. I changed it back to red, but I just put in a little bit darker background. I like the image better, and cleaned up a little bit of stuff down here. And then, I still think I need some sort of delineation here, maybe even put in kind of a box around this or something, just kind of make this part stand out possibly. And then we have the footer at the bottom. So now let's take a look here at the other pages. Like I said, Erin only did 2. And so here would be the order form page. And again, just kind of lined things up a little bit better. I put in a white background here. I put in this black image underneath. I'm not really excited about that. I think that should probably come out and highlight this headline some way else. I guess I'm not excited about that. And then also cleaned up the footer on this one, but otherwise there wasn't a whole lot that got done on this page. It's really the background and getting rid of all of the grayness that really just kind of made everything pop. Was putting in that background made such a huge difference. And then here we are on the thank you page. Again, I made the background here white where it was dark in the other one, I do believe. And again, the footer that really kind of spices everything up. And then in the members, this is actually the members area. Let's see, do I have the members access open? No, let's log out of here. So while that's working, we'll go in here to the members area. And again, use the same image in the background, put in this nice picture here where you can see all the cheesy, dripping gooiness of whatever this food is. And then again, the footer at the bottom. And let's see if we got the access page pulled up here. Yeah, here's the access page. Again, I just love that picture in the background with the food. And then, oh, I see here, I got to change this actually because I did not put the dark overlay on this background image like I did everywhere else. So I'll have to fix that up, put that dark overlay on there. So that was it. I just wanted to show you what you got to do here. Again, when you get done with this thing, go find a couple of people you trust and just say, here, take a look at it, rip it apart, tell me what I'm doing wrong. And a lot of times people, they just want to be nice or they don't know any better. They just come back, oh yeah, it's so pretty, it's so nice. It's like, no. Tell me what's wrong with it. You know, you're not going to hurt my feelings. You're going to help me. Tell me what is wrong. Tell me what you would change. Tell me what you don't like about the colors or images or whatever. What is the first thing you think when you get to this page? What is the first thing that your eye is drawn to? What is the hierarchy on the page? Those are the kind of things. You got to find those out now, because if you don't, then the page just isn't going to work. You're not going to get the results that you want. So definitely, when you get done, do the redesign. It may be a little painful, might even hurt your ego a little bit. That's good. Ego doesn't matter. Making money, that's what matters. So that's it for this video. Until next time, have a great day.